Welcome on into the Faithful Studios. Welcome back to the No Shave November series. And this is week 6. Week 6, we're in mid-November. By now, you're getting some beard growth going. And I want to talk to you about some awkward stages, and I want to talk to you about perception. So if you are new here, I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. We got some great beard content for you, some discount codes and giveaways for beard products. And by the end of this series, I want to make sure that you guys are keeping your beard around. So we're going to get into perception and week 6 of this No Shave November series right after this. So let's talk about perception and what that really means. And the dictionary defines perception as a way of regarding, understanding, or interpreting something, a mental impression. And what I mean by that, you're probably asking yourself, Tyson, how does that relate to the beard world and what I think about my beard? And the way that relates is awkward phases. We all go through these awkward phases with our beard, and we could be grooming in the morning, putting our beard together, getting ready for the day, and we see a wave, or we see a thin spot, or our beard just isn't going how we want to, and we're just not happy with it. Now, there's a couple things to think about with that. Is that just our perception of our beard? We are our worst critics, right? We tend to be the hardest on ourselves, and we see things in ourselves that we might not necessarily be showing to other people. What I mean by that is when you're standing in front of a mirror, there are so many factors that you need to keep in mind. One factor is you're about this far from a mirror. Okay, you ask yourself, cool, well, I'm going to be standing maybe this far from people in my job. Maybe you are, maybe you're not, but you're judging your beard. They're not. Second part of that is your bathroom mirror is big, and it's in this little room called your bathroom, and 99% of the time bathrooms have brighter lighting, and that is reflecting off the mirror, reflecting all around in the room, making it brighter. And so you're seeing things in that mirror that you're not necessarily going to see talking to somebody, or that they're going to see talking to you. So it's our perception when looking into the mirror that our beard is a little bit flawed maybe compared to the way we would like to see it. Now, why does that perception happen? Because we have this idea in our head of what we want our beard to look like. Maybe we've seen other men with beards and we get a little bit of beard envy. And that leads me to this. Beard envy is a real thing. You want what maybe somebody has in their beard. And you have to remember that everybody's growing their beard differently. And you need to accept the way that your DNA grows your beard, and go back and watch the rest of the series on beard health and beard care so you can make your beard the best that your body, that your DNA can grow. But you also perceive your beard less than what everybody else will be. That is a fact, that is psychological, and you always are your worst critic. So when you see a flaw, nobody else probably will see that flaw. Now, when people say something negative about your beard, let it brush off, let it roll off your shoulder. Don't let their perception of a beard impact your perception of your beard. We all grow them different, and we all grow them for different reasons. There's a spiritual belief behind beards. There is just saving money on razors. There's laziness. There's I don't want to do it. There's the fact of it's natural. There's so many different reasons behind growing a beard. So whatever your reason is, that's what you have to stick to, and don't let other people's perception of your beard sway your perception of your beard. Okay? But the biggest thing to keep in mind with perception is the way that you're looking at it in a mirror. If you have an issue, you're having a rough beard day, sometimes those happen. It's called awkward stages or just having a rough beard day. You hear women talk about having rough hair days. It happens. If you are not liking what you're seeing in the mirror one morning, just walk away, let it be for that day, come back tomorrow, and you're going to have something different. Beards change all the time, and I don't want anybody getting upset, getting confused, getting distracted, or anything like that because their beard isn't looking the way that they want it to look for that particular day, just walk away and come back again. Let's try it again tomorrow before we do anything drastic, okay? So that's about it for this video. Just remember, everybody has a different perception, and if you guys need any help, feel free to send me a picture of your beard. We can help you out. I can help walk you through phases. I have other videos on that. I'm always open for conversation, as is anybody else. So comment below if you've ever had a rough beard day. I know I have. They happen a lot. In fact, they can happen once or twice a week. It just depends on how I'm grooming, how I'm washing and conditioning my beard. So let me know if you've had a bad beard day and what you do to counteract those bad beard days and how you change your perception of your own beard. So until I talk to you guys again soon, I hope you continue to grow your man mane. It is No Shave November. We have reasons behind our beards, and we don't want anybody else's perception changing the perception of our beard or why we started this journey. And by the end of this month, I want you to keep growing your beard, joining this channel, joining this community, and I'm going to give you free beard product to make sure that that happens. So subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit that bell so you know when all these new videos come out. And again, thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And until I talk to you guys again soon, God bless you all.